Hello lovely people, it's me Megha this side. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Lots of love. Hi, so today I'll be talking about self-love from a teenager's perspective. So when we are a teenager, we struggle with the entire concept of self-love. Kya hai self-love? There are times in our life when we are feeling pressurized and we are doing things which our friends want us to do. Like for example, if my friend has an iPhone, I will want that मेरे पास भी iPhone होना चाहिए. If my friend has a boyfriend, and I would also want that I need to have a boyfriend. So there's a pressure that you need to be like somebody, you need to have certain things to get validation from your peer group or from society. And if you don't act according to your group or your peer group, they don't think you're good enough or you're cool enough. There are times when your peer groups are commenting on your body, your skin, your hair color and what not. We lose ourselves when we are teenagers. Don't worry, I'll be sharing 4 amazing ways to love yourself more here. They're simple yet easy and also effective. So before starting this video, I interacted with 2 amazing teenagers and I asked them what they were struggling with.
Is one of the basic problems that we want others to love us, we want others to accept us, and for that we go to any words. We will wear this top in the party only if it's loved by other people. In childhood we were so so self-loving that no matter how I look, if I have to wear this pink frock, I'll be wearing this pink frock. So I think we need to go back to that phase.
I think the most common problem a teenager faces is they start losing self-esteem. And self-esteem is related to self-love.
Just heard the voice recording of Kashish from Balbati Public School and as well as Manya from another school. Your teenage journey is basically like beautiful in the starting. It's like messy in the middle and in the end, it's wonderful. Okay, so enjoy your teenage journey and don't let people outside world stop you from being you. Value your strength and go rock it. The first step is learn to say no to people who are draining your energy, who are demeaning you. Inside you, you know the people from whom you get good vibes and people from whom you get negative vibes. People who are always commenting on your body are the people who are trying to fit you inside the box and they are not good for you. हमें हमेशा पता होता है कि कौन सा इंसान हमारे लिए positive बोल रहा है, negative बोल रहा है. So choose your company and say no to people who are draining your energy and creating toxic environment in your home through messages or through digital medium. Secondly, be with people who love you, support you, who help you to grow in a journey of self-love. It can be your friends, it can be your family members, it can be your elder brother, elder sister. Find these people जो आपको grow करने में help करेंगे अपनी life में and who are positive. You don't have to be what people are telling you to be. You don't need to have a boyfriend, an iPhone, or maybe dress up in a certain manner to be you. You can be anyone that you want to be. For that, what you have to do is write your strengths right now, okay? Take a paper, take a pen and take a sheet. Write 5 things which makes you unique. ये मत सोचना कि मेरे अंदर क्या unique है. There can be a lot of things which are unique inside you, in you. So write your qualities. 4th is follow your passion. It can be anything: drawing, sketching, learning guitar, learning music. I remember when I was a teenager, I started going to this guitar class and it was actually helping me to boost my confidence level. So you can try that too. I remember when I was young, I used to have these braces and I used to have huge eyebrows. I'm going to share my picture also. It's kind of weird. But, and people used to tell me that, oh, you have braces. But now I've grown up and I've realized that it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter who is setting these definitions of beauty. It's us who are setting these definitions of beauty and we can change it anytime. So we should not get pressurized by the outside environment and believe in your own strength and your own vision. No matter which shape, size, color you're from, you're beautiful and you're awesome. Say this to yourself today. Go in front of the mirror and say to yourself, I am awesome. So hope so you like this video. If you implement any of these methods, do let me know and share it in the comment section.